Hello, I am Joanne Weber. In this presentation, I will explore universal design specifically for deaf learners. Universal design was first promoted by the Center for Universal Design at the North Carolina State University. The center's mandate was to develop environments and products accessible for all people. The center's universal design philosophy was not just to serve persons with disabilities, but everyone. Today, most people do see universal design as an approach to accommodate all groups of people, keeping in mind the needs of those with various disabilities. In universal design, the needs of one group are not emphasized or prioritized over those of another group. The goal is to have equitable access across the board. The deaf community has considered its needs and has made important contributions toward universal instructional design and accessibility. Through the community's collective efforts, a targeted accessibility checklist has been developed specifically for deaf and hard of hearing learners. The National Deaf Center on Postsecondary Outcomes has also produced recommendations regarding universal instructional design. They recommend that UDL support deaf learners' innate strengths, capitalizing on vision and visual processing. It recommends the instruction have options targeting visual processing. Instruction should have language options, and sign language should always be an option. Instruction should have options for learners to express language, including signing, speaking, and writing. Universal design should include comprehension options using multiple modalities, such as seeing, listening, touching, and movement. Now let's move on to the concept of biosocial portals for learning. One biosocial portal is hearing. The human body is biologically designed to hear. Because of that, spoken languages evolved. This is what we refer to as audiocentrism. Audiocentrism is clearly associated with auditory languages. Society's communication centers around the use of auditory spoken languages. Let's move from the auditory portal to the visual portal. Visucentrism is where learning is achieved through visual processing. Clearly, visucentrism is related to sign languages. Visual-spatial languages. The deaf community has partnered with UNICEF to develop universal design standards of instruction for deaf children, adults, for deaf learners of all ages. These standards specifically target the learning needs of deaf people. This is one digital layout developed through UNICEF. Let's look at how the features work. The content is presented in text. There are images to aid comprehension. The material is also presented in sign language. In addition, there is an audio option to have the computer read the text aloud. Thank you. Feel free to email me if you have any questions.